Hello, Jesus. So here's that customized video that I went ahead and put together for your company. So I did quite a bit of research, and here's what I found. Okay, so to start off, when your future customers are Googling Landscape Bellevue, what they're first seeing here is the map pack. Now, ideally, every business wants to be in the top three because this, of course, is what shows up when the results come back. So, I did do a little digging, and yes, you are in the map pack. It looks like you're sitting at spot number 16. So definitely want to bring that up. The way that you go about that is with citations. What a citation is your business name, your address, and your telephone number. Anytime it's listed in Google, you get a citation. So again, here you are. This is your business listing. You've got some pictures, the information is filled out, that's great. A few more reviews would definitely help as well to boost you higher into this map pack status. So aside from the map pack, what a customer is going to get on the search results, just below this is what's called organic listings. Now, both are equally important, but this is what people see on the first page. Again, with these organic listings over here, want to be in the top couple spots, really important. Because the fact of the matter is that people are just not going to go to, the additional pages looking for the services that they're inquiring about, okay? I did go to the third page of these organic listings down here, and I didn't see Saltos on there. So what that's telling me is that the likelihood of people continuing to go forward that's just not going to happen. So need to get your rankings up to get you on that first page and in these top couple spots. So what I did was I went ahead and I pulled your number one competitor. That company is called Green Spaces. I pulled up your website as well, and I just wanted to do a quick comparison so that you can see where the improvements can be made to get you to take out their ranking spot and essentially overtake their traffic. So here is your site. It looks nice. It's got, some good pictures and stuff. It's got information going on down here. Services is really important to have listed right away, so that's great. More information, it's about your company. That's great. This is definitely a good start. Now, what's crucial to Google is two things. That's command content. And what command content is, all of this information that you have put into your site. Google wants to see 1,500 words of command content before you can boost your rating. Aside from that, they also want to see organic keywords sprinkled throughout this content. So again, you've got your organic keywords here. Now, I did run the numbers, and it looks like you guys are at 965 words. So definitely would want to boost that up to 1,500, sprinkling those keywords, of course, throughout. So all in all, the site itself looks pretty good, and it's definitely a starting point and a foundation. So then, number one competitor, Green Spaces, here's their site. Now they've got some really nice pictures, some moving images, which are fantastic. Now, the first thing that sticks out to me, even though the pictures are pretty and it's very aesthetically pleasing, the first thing that sticks out to me is they don't have enough content. So right off the top, I can tell that that's an issue. I ran the numbers on them. They have 633 words of content, so not even halfway there. Again, being at 1,500 words is key with those keywords sprinkled throughout. Okay, what I also did was I pulled a comparison on each site so that we can drill down on the data and see exactly what's going on here, and why they're ranking where they are, and you are. Okay, so here is your site, and the two things that I want to point out are your UR and your DR rating. The UR is your trust rating that Google has assigned to your website. Your DR is your power rating that Google has assigned. How they determine these numbers is based upon backlinks and organic keywords. So backlinks are essentially a shout out from another site. So another site has a link that goes to your website, and what that does is it gains you credibility. Now, with backlinks, quality is far more important than quantity. So you want to have high quality backlinks coming in from relevant websites, right? Okay, so it looks like 109 keywords are sprinkled throughout your site. And what that's generating for you guys is organic traffic, meaning the folks that are clicking on your site, and the traffic that's being generated is 22 a month. Okay, now when we pull the comparison and we look at green spaces, now they've got this is their trust rating again, this is their power rating. They've got 472 backlinks. And you guys had 414. So now they've got more backlinks, but they obviously are not as powerful. They've got 555 organic keywords sprinkled throughout their site. And what that's doing is that's generating 711 people a month coming to their site and bringing in all of this traffic and business. So the bottom line here is that their site is definitely beatable. Additional backlinks, more high-powered ones for you guys. Getting your site up to that 1,500 words of command content with a lot more organic keywords sprinkled throughout, and then more citations, which is additional business listings with your name, address, and telephone number, and definitely could be outranking them and taking that number 2 spot, and of course gaining all of their traffic. So thank you very much for letting me shoot this video for you. I hope it's been very valuable to you, and I would very much appreciate and love feedback.